Hey guys, welcome back to Big Country Barbecue Sauce channel. It's been a while since I did a video, but I've been kind of tied up. My birthday was just in January 12th to be exact, and my family got me this little fella. His name is Jake. He's gonna be joining me on my barbecue adventures and smoking. He's my little buddy here. He's a mess. He's in training. Got him when he's about 5.5 weeks old, so we're working with him. He's doing really well. He's putting on weight. Right now he's about almost 8 weeks now. But today I decided, since I was off today, I'm going to do some ribs today. Went to Food Line, found a pretty good deal on a couple packs of ribs. So we're going to do some baby back ribs, and also I'm going to do some chicken legs to be exact at the end of this cook. About the next 2 hours into it, we're going to do some of that. It's a great day. The weather's about 55 degrees right now. Sitting down in the sun feels really good. It's been a while since I cranked up the Weber smoker, and got that hickory just burning in there, and it smells so good right now. I just want to stay here with it, not leave. But I didn't really go through the process of showing you how I did the ribs. It's something that you guys seen 100 times on YouTube. Just did a dry rub. Before I put the dry rub on, I did have some Dijon mustard. Just happened to have that in the fridge, and I threw some of that on there, and then put the dry rub on. And we're going to do the wrap. We're going to wrap them up about a couple hours, see how they're doing, and we're going to wrap them about a couple hours. I'm going to put some honey, some brown sugar, and some butter on them. I do like to wrap my ribs. I know some guys don't, but it's always worked for me, so you kind of do what you know and what works for you. But you guys stay tuned. That's what we have planned for today, and I appreciate you joining me. We'll talk to y'all.
That's good. Yeah, really good.
Well, there you have it, folks. The ribs are good.
Falling off the bone, but still crispy on the outside. Very good.
There you have it. My daughter said it's good, then it's got to be good. Well, appreciate you guys watching. We're going to get down to chowing. We'll talk to you later. Peace out.